Welcome to Owen Allen Media. So Vybz Kartel just dropped the official song of his upcoming album that he has not named yet, and the fans don't know about it. If you didn't watch Vybz Kartel interview recently, then you wouldn't know that Pretty Girl is the first single of his upcoming album that he said is for the ladies. I personally don't like how this is being released. It's just another song, but Vybz Kartel don't announce the album. We don't know what the title of the album is. There's only anticipation that there might be an album, but the anticipation and the momentum for the album is not building. I don't know if I'm the only one, but we're gonna check out the first single of Vybz Kartel upcoming album, Pretty Girl. So we're gonna see what I go on feed. So what I can see so far is that the sound from this new album is that Vybz Kartel is going for an international smooth sailing sound, right? And the video is extremely clean, and I can see that black, nice melanin going on with the females, and the girl look like she's African or something. So he's adding that element to the video also. The song sound good so far. Wine from a pretty girl, I'll never diss a girl. We love ya. You see me? Sound like Vybz Kartel try to, release an international sounding song. So make we see. So just as I said, it's giving the African element, and as I play the song, Vybz Kartel speak about the African thing. So I was spot on. Again, the song sound. The last time Vybz Kartel did an interview, he spoke about Fever and how he made Fever and how Fever was XOXO, my love is very special, and all of that is English. Vybz Kartel is doing that in this song right now. So I'm not sure how far this song is gonna go. Hope it really does well. But Vybz Kartel should have let it be known that this song is the first single of his album. People would anticipate it more. People would would gravitate towards it more. Even though, regardless of any of those announcements, it's still gonna get a million views and all of these other things. But just to let people know what they're viewing. Wine from a pretty girl, I'll never diss a girl. We love you, we love you, we love you. Baby, you are the one, you are the one. I need you, not just for fun. My life, diamonds in the dark. Baby, we live in life. World was meant for us. Wine from a pretty girl. Again, Vybz Kartel no sing a patwa all no. All no, the dog no sing a patwa all no. That other part. So again, this song is a international sounding song where Vybz Kartel is intentionally going internationally by singing English and trying to make sure that this song appeal to a wider audience and a broader audience on the international market. The Africans, who most of them probably don't understand dancehall, probably just Afrobeats, but Africa is a big supporter of dancehall music. So yeah, the song sound good, the beats sound good. TJ did a really good job. Probably TJ produced the album, but everything sound good so far. Get some more. from a pretty girl, my pretty girl. I'm a such a girl. And I know You know, say, as me I listen to that song, yeah, what me realize is that Vybz Kartel has done many songs just like this one while he was in prison. And he did it with the same intention. He did it with the same mindset behind what he's doing right now. And those songs was received well by the Gaza nation and just by dancehall fans in general, but they never did as well as he would hope. Now that he's out of prison, selling out arenas, doing all of these other things, I'm wondering if a song like this will definitely be received the way that Vybz Kartel hope it would be received and want it to be received. That's my thing, right? I hope that's the case. Let's actually hope that's the case, right? People receive the song well, and people start to enjoy the music and just know, say, yo, 2025, Kartel do it. We need to sell some more. Fever need to sell platinum. Clarks and Summertime need to sell gold. And, you know, Ramping Shop need to sell gold. All of these other things, and just know, say, yo, big album a come. Support dancehall, support the artists, and all of these other things. I'll never diss a girl. Me love you. Me love you. Me love you. Yeah, man. Song sound good. Song calm. But me just hope Vybz Kartel did let the people them know, say, this song is off the upcoming album, so people can support it more. People know, say, yo, this is, you know, what they will be. This is what we're expecting. You know what I mean? Music like this. In music with the intention, like how Fever was made with the intention of going platinum, was made with the intention of doing big and crossing over and all these other things. You see me? Now, I'm telling a lie, the models in this video, they were great. This video was not a video where women were showing, you know, them shot up, and Kartel didn't grab them and all these other things. It was just a more, you know, playful, loving, tenderness, all these other things, all these elements, and, you know what I mean, caressing and just embracing each other and all of these other things. So we got the Kartel, first song off Vybz Kartel upcoming album. Again, we don't even know what album is called. Probably 238. You know, him have the 238 and MI. Because that was the file that Isaac Buchanan gave to him and said, yo, you go do road and this me go use on free, and that happened. That would be interesting because Massacre have an album 438. So, you know, with the whole number thing going there, definitely would look good. Right? So that's the video, that's the song. Yeah. Would I give it a 8.5? 8.5. If it grew upon me more, 9.5. And then when it sell gold, then I just know, say, nobody can hold it back. You see me? So that is it. Owen Allen Media, we keep you informed.